Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today we are going to show you how you can add glow effect in Adobe Illustrator. So here is the document. First thing you have to know that to see the glow effect there should be a dark background. So I'm making a rectangular shape and making it black, no stroke, locking the layer, and let's add some text to add glow. The text color is white. Let's make it bigger. Let's use this font. Make another layer, copy the text, lock this layer, and on the new layer paste in place, lock this layer, unlock the previous one. So we are going to use some stroke on it. Let's use blue color stroke to understand the intensity. Okay, hide the top layer, use this layer, press object, path, first expand this text and path, outline stroke. Now select the whole text, use shape builder tool, press alt and click on it on the white part. You will see the white part is gone. Now select all this and press pathfinder tool, unite. If you don't see the pathfinder tool, go to window and press pathfinder, or you can press shift control and F9. So let's change the upper layer to green color, deep green, and now the border part to light green. So to effect, blur and Gaussian blur. Make sure you have the preview option ticked. And you can use your desired amount here to make the glow. Lock this layer, took the upper layer, maybe darker green or lighter green, depends on your choice. And we can use this without Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur is one way, and let's see another way. Same method, copy the text and paste in place, hide the upper layer. This layer will be the glow effect, so object, expand, and this time without using the blur tool, you can go to stylize and outer glow option. Make sure the preview option is ticked. Screen the mode should be normal, and as this is a green one, I'm going to give some green glow. Opacity, make sure it's 100%, and you can increase this, maybe change it to yellow, glowing, and you can use the top layer to show it. So this is how you can easily use the glow effect in Adobe Illustrator. So thanks for watching.